Welcome back to the channel M.O.P Rider. So today we are at M.O.P bridge. So it's kind of a bridge where there are boats parked over there, as you can see. So today we have came here to shoot some nice clicks of 3 bikes actually. One is my Devil, as you guys can see here, and there are 2 more bikes. So it will be surprise for you guys. So keep watching. If you have seen the thumbnail, you might have guessed it which bikes are those. So stay tuned, enjoy some nice shots. I'll show you some nice poses with bike which you can click with your bike also. So today I'll be using my Canon 80D, as you guys can see. I have this Canon 80D since last few months. So I'll be using my cam, it's 18 to 135 lens. So if you like the video, please give a thumbs up, and if you are new to this channel, please subscribe. So stay tuned. I'll be updating some pics also and some BTS behind that pics, and there will be some time lapse. So enjoy the video. Hope you like it. So let's get started.